Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope everybody's having a great week. This week we are short and sweet and to the point. It's time to file. The time is now. Make sure in Texas, if you're a Texan property owner, make sure you get your property tax protests in this week. The deadline is usually May 15th. May 15th this year falls on a Saturday, so it's actually moved to May 17th, but just get them in, man. Get them in this week. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to rush. Make sure you file those. And when you're filing them, what that means, what does that mean, file them? It means you have to file a notice of protest form. You can find those online, and what you do is it's pretty self-explanatory as you go through. Make sure you have the information for what your property ID is. You can find that online also. But go and get your notice of protest form, fill it out. Two really important things when you're filing a notice of protest form. You want to make sure that you file that your market value is not appropriate. This is under Section 3, which is reason for protest. First thing is make sure you check off that the market value is inaccurate, and second, that the property is appraised at an unequal to other properties. Well, those are the first two boxes. Obviously, you might have other things to check also, but it's really important to check both of those. And we went through why it's important previously, so if you want to hear more about it, you can see some of the previous videos. But make sure you check both of those boxes. And then once you have that done, the process then is you'll have an informal hearing, a formal hearing, and then if you don't like that result, potentially a lawsuit. The appraisal district will likely send you something on when your hearings are, but don't rely on them. That stuff can get lost in the mail. They might not do it even. So make sure you be proactive. Go online, call them up, find out what your dates are for your hearings. That's really important because you don't want to miss those dates. So find out what your dates are, and then with your informal hearing, what you're going to do is go and meet one-on-one with an appraiser, and he or she will have his or her data and support for why they think it should be where it is. And then you got to come with your data, as we talked about before. You have to have your support, your evidence, so you can show them what it really should be. If you guys can't agree, if you can't reach a settlement, then you'll have a formal hearing. At the formal hearing, you'll present your side to the panel. They'll present their side, and then the panel will decide what your appraised value should be. If you don't like that, at that point, if you still don't got a good result, then you can file a lawsuit and you go to regular litigation. So that's the big issue this week, making sure you get your property tax protest in on time. Make sure you get it done this week. If you have any questions, just watch these videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's some good information there, both on our YouTube channel, and you can go to bukowskilawfirm.com and subscribe to our blog. There's really good information every week on there. Thanks a lot.